Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this leaking faucet without spending any single amount of money. First, let's turn off this valve so we can work on easily. Now let's turn this knob on. Usually there is a rubber cover on this hole, but if there is none like this one, just get a 1/8 size Allen wrench and start unscrewing it so we can remove the handle. It might take you quite some time because it's hard to sometimes it gets hard to unscrew it because of because you can't see it. Now let's get an open end wrench and start removing this cartridge by turning it into the counterclockwise motion. There's already an improvised rubber that I put 1 year ago, so this time I will put another layer of rubber to improve the engagement of the ceramic discs. Let's try to clean these two ceramic discs. I will just try to sand them using this grit 400 sandpaper. Just to remove any grimes that have built up on them. Okay, this small groove is going to sit on those protruding metal part. Let me show that to you. There it is. It's on the other side, it's not yet seated. Okay, there it is. This flat surface goes downwards. There is a protruding ceramic part on this side and on the other side, and a small groove on this cartridge, and they are going to follow that groove. Okay, so when you open it, when you close it, it closes down. When you open it, the water flows in. So that's how the mechanism works. We are going to add a improvised rubber on top of this ceramic disc to make the engagement of the ceramic discs more tighter. The diameter of this area is the same as this one. It's at 11 mm. Okay. So the shape of the rubber should also be something like that at 11 mm. So we'll cut a round rubber from this rubber tire. Okay, I'll just put it on top and hit it hard one time. Okay, this is the round rubber that we tried to cut. It did not cut all the way, but that's okay. We'll just cut it with our scissors. Okay, this one is going in here. But we need to put an opening at the center for the water to flow. So we'll put an opening in here. We'll just cut it out. Let's try to put two rubbers on top. Okay, let's put the handle back and tighten the screw using the 1/8 size Allen wrench. This might take a bit, especially if you can't seem to lock in the end of the Allen wrench in this screw hole. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.